Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna go over the trade that I took live on TikTok on NQ New York session. It was a strange day today, but it's kind of just been what price has been doing for like the past few weeks. I can't lie. So I just kind of traded with the price action. I got one break even trade. I'll go through that in a sec. So my bias for today was leaning neither way. To be honest, I was happy to take shorts. It was brilliant structure to the downside here with LRL generated here. Asia lows, and also longs were looking perfect as well. You get me? Like we had really good strong draws and liquidity to the upside here as well. With I think this was equal highs. Um, Along with this strong draw here, we had a daily intermediate high over here that I wanted to get taken out as well. So that was my bias coming in for today. I wasn't really too asked which way it was, either long or short. I just wanted to see some sort of structure to confirm that we were going either way, and we did obviously get that. As you can see, market just ripped up. Um, So market did, yeah, like I said, market did literally just rip up to the upside as it has been doing for the past like week or two. To be honest, I just haven't got any entries, man. It's been so annoying. Price just rips up without me being able to enter. There's a few 5 minute gaps that got filled, but I wasn't able to get an inverse there just because price didn't present one. So I'll get into the trade that I took now. As you can see here, I took a really simple trade, a 5 minute retrace with a 1 minute IFVG. Why did I take this trade? Even though we were extremely overextended, like this fair value gap was in a premium, I thought since we had such a strong close on the 4 hour above this 4 hour intermediate high and 4 hour bearish gap, not quite closed above, but really strongly closed below the 50% line. I thought there's no way that we rejected off of this. And what would price most likely reject off after that? This 4 hour gap is what I thought. So I thought we were heading higher, even though we were in a premium. So it's not technically a best A plus setup. But in days like this, especially recently, we have just been ripping to the upside. So I've been happy to trade with the trend, trade with what market is presenting me, using a little bit of discretion to, like I would normally prefer it to retrace to equilibrium, but just knowing that we are ripping without any retrace, I was happy to take this trade. So we did get a retrace into that 5 minute gap, 1 minute inverse out. I took that. I thought at least if we weren't going to hit this, we were going to hit this intermediate high. So I went break even at that yellow line there. As you can see, did get break even. Now price is just kind of chopping around. So I do think the session objective has been achieved for the day. No clue what tomorrow will bring, to be honest. I don't even have a bias coming into tomorrow. We'd have to see how we reject off of this 4 hour. There's obviously a daily bearish fair value gap there. So we'll have to see if we are delivering off of that or we're going to inverse it coming into tomorrow. But yeah, that was the idea today. Annoyingly, it was another break-even trade. I feel like I'm just swimming in circles at the minute, running in circles. Like price is just really, really hard to read. But it's times like that where you make the most money. Staying out of the markets when you're not needed in them, when your setup isn't presenting themselves, or price just being tricky. So those are the best sort of days to prove to yourself that you are profitable. And I'm happy with my performance, to be honest. I'm happy with how it's been going. So I'll catch you lot in the next trade tomorrow. I'll be trading live on TikTok. If you don't already tune in, watch that shit. Link in bio and that. I hope to see you all there. And if not, have a great rest of your day. Let me know what trades you took in the comments below, all that shit. Join the Discord as well. Get your trades in there. We always do a little trade recap after that. Yeah, that was it for today. I appreciate you guys watching. Peace.